Are your law firm's invoices helping or hurting you? Hi, I'm Allison Johs, president of Legal Ease Consulting, where I help lawyers create more productive, more profitable, and more enjoyable law practices. I've seen a lot of legal invoices, and many of them are confusing, contain unfamiliar abbreviations, or just don't contain enough information for the client to know what was done and what they're paying for. Your invoice is a communication tool. Your client should be able to tell just by looking at their invoice exactly what has happened on their case and why it matters to them. You want to make sure that your bills are easy for clients to understand. The easier it is for the client to understand your bill, the faster they'll pay it, and the less friction there will be between you and your clients. First and foremost, your bill should communicate the value of the services that you are providing to the client. It should tell the client why those services are important to them and how they benefit them. Relate the services that you performed for the client back to the client's goals and objectives that you discussed at the initial consultation. Next, make sure that bill is easy for the client to understand. If the client can't understand the bill, they won't want to pay it. Don't use legal jargon. Make sure that you have consistent guidelines across your firm so that everyone is billing the same way and using the same terminology. Your bill should clearly state what was done, by whom, and why. It should set forth the fee that was charged, how that fee was calculated, and whether there are any outstanding payments due. If you've taken a retainer from the client, it should show the client how much is left on that retainer balance. But you should also make sure that the client can tell from the bill when it's due and how the client can pay it. Finally, include the contact information and name of the person that the client should reach out to if they have any questions about their bills. Again, I'm Allison Johs from Legal Ease Consulting. And if your billing system needs an overhaul, give me a call.